Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can arrange elements like, for example, images, illustrations, items, and graphics we have added to presentations on LibreOffice Impress. So let us dive into this. So let me navigate to that example slide of that example presentation here in LibreOffice Impress. And what you need to do, guys, is left click into the given element. Like, for example, let me go with that image here. And here at the top, you'll see the arrange menu. Click into that small arrow down icon next to it and choose an action. Like, for example, you may bring the given element to front or use the shortcut Control left shift plus for that, or forward only one position or one position backwards. And you will see the given associated shortcut next to it, send to back. So if I move that behind the object, or for instance in front of an object, and move the given image, it will be in front of the given object. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.